Okay, let's start. Different number systems. So we have different number systems in your syllabus, IGCSE syllabus. Let me tell you one by one number systems. But the first number system that is called binary number system. Binary number system. Number two, decimal or denary number system. Decimal denary number system. And the third one is hexadecimal number system. But this is the easiest topic in IGCSE और interesting भी बहुत है ये, right? So I'll give you multiple examples. Hexadecimal number systems. So binary number system, beta, it uses only two numbers, combination of zero and ones, one और zero, और कोई दूसरा नंबर नहीं होगा इसमें, right? So we can call it base 2 system as well. ठीक है? Decimal number system, it's a system that we use in our normal life, right? For example, 223,580, 23580. So it's a base 10 system. Base 10 system. Why base 10 system? Because it has numbers starting from 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So it's a base 10 system. Any number you think that would be between 0 to 9. For example, this number, it's a very big number by the way. So ये तमाम number or digits falls in this range, decimal number system, right? Okay. Hexadecimal number systems, it's similar to decimal number systems, and it has 16 numbers. The base is 16. The number starts from 0, just like decimal number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it starts using alphabets, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, and total numbers are 16. ठीक है बेटा? So A is representing here 10, B is representing 11, C is representing 12, 13, 14, and F, this is the last one, 15. ठीक है बेटा? Beta, most of the students they think F is 16. F is equal to 16. Please make your concepts very clear. This is not 16. F is the last alphabets in hexadecimal number and the value is 15 because 0 भी हम include करते हैं इसमें, right? So we have 16 numbers. Is that clear, beta? Any question? Okay. So Beta, you need to understand. I'll explain it a little more because you need to have a very good, clear concepts of this number system. ताकि बाद में आपको मसला ना हो. Beta, you need to understand this thing. First, you need to write down this definition. Power. Anyone can tell me what is power? Anyone? बेटा मैथ्स में भी पढ़ते हो आप, राइट? power. Anyone, please raise your hand, boys. Okay. So बेटा ये जो है पावर, you need to write down this. I'll tell you the concept. The product obtained when a number is multiplied by itself a certain number of times, that is called power. For example, 10, 10 की power 4 means 10 will be multiplied by 4 times. Is that clear, beta? Right? Okay, 10 की power 3 means 10 will be multiplied by 3 times. Is that clear? सो लेट मी मेक इट मोर सिंपल. बेटा जब आप डेनरी में कोई नंबर लिखते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल 23,574, व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट? आप लोग मैथ्स भी पढ़ते हैं एंड आई बिलीव दैट यू आर वेरी गुड इन मैथ्स. सो दैट इज नोन एज यूनिट. बेटा यूनिट होता है ना ये आपका, एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 10, this is equal to 100, and this is equal to 1000. आगे क्या होता है बेटा? यस, जल्दी से बताएं. 1000 के बाद होता है tens of thousand. The last one is tens of thousand. Is that clear? ऐसे लिखते हो ना बेटा आप लोग? So if I write this 4 multiply by 10 की power 0, do you mind it? बेटा सिंपल है ना. तो ये आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 4, राइट? सो लेट मी हैंडल इट नाउ. 7, 7 मीन्स 7 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 की पावर 1, सो दैट गिव्स यू 70. एंड 5, 5 multiplied by 10 की power 2, which means 5 will be multiplied by 10 की power 2 means 10 multiplied by 10. ठीक हो गया बेटा? Okay. Then 3, 3 will be multiplied by 10 की power 3. 10 की power 3 means 10 will be multiplied by 3 and that will be multiplied by further with 3. So 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, so multiply by 3. Clear? And 2 means 2 multiplied by 10 की power 4, 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 multiply by 10, and that whole number will be multiplied by 2. So that gives you tens of thousands, it gives you thousands, then it's 100, then tens, and this is the unit. बेटा ये दिस इज द सिंपल मैथ, आई बिलीव ये आपको पता है. एनी क्वेश्चन बेटा इसमें अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो टेल मी. सो दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल बेटा. मैंने इसे बहुत सिंपल कोशिश की है जस्ट टू क्लियर द कंसेप्ट. बाय द वे ये एंड हो जाता है. ठीक हो गया. सो दिस इज द बेस. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पावर बिकॉज दैट्स कमिंग अप इन द बाइनरी टॉपिक. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं बाइनरी नंबर्स. what are the binary numbers? You know it by the way. Binary 0 and 1, 0 1 1 0. It's a combination of different ones and zeros. बेटा it uses base 2 system. ठीक हो गया? Base 2 system, it has only two numbers. Earlier, I told you about the computer uses binary code to convert everything, every kind of data information in binary language to understand that, right? So it's a binary number, and we are done with the hexa. So let's say we have a binary number. It's a very long number, so I am not taking this value, this number, right? So same is the case of the powers with binary, right? Because it uses two numbers, so the base of the very first number will be 2 की power 0. I'm using 2 because this is the base number, and this one is 2 की power 1, and this is 2 की power 2, and this means 2 की power 3, and this means 2 की power 4. Is that clear, beta? So we have number 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and all that. 2 की power 0 mean 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. So by the way, there is a very famous story behind this concept. वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ठीक है? मे बी यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट, बट let me tell you. But a long time ago, before Christ, I guess, BC की बात है कोई. This is a very well known story about binary. There was a man, or he was very genius, right? He actually invented chessboard, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? But a chessboard has only two boxes, 0 and 1. 0, 1 means black and white. So it's a 8 by 8 board, means 64 boxes with black and white boxes. Let me presume this is white is equal to 1 and this black is equal to 0, right? So this is chess. So he went to see the king of that time. उसने कहा कि बादशाह साहब के I have invented this chess board, and he told him the ways how to play that. He told him the moves. So the king was impressed, और king साहब फरमाते हैं whatever you want I'll give it to you. He was a cunning and very genius man. This man, maybe, I'm not sure, his name was Sisa, I guess. He said, I'm just giving an example. He said, on the very first day, you need to place one piece of rice on the very first box of chess. Then the next day, two pieces of rice. Then third day, four. Then fourth day, 8. Fifth day, 16. 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, and so on. King was happy. He said, nothing, ये तो कोई मसला नहीं है, it's not a big deal. But after calculation, when he hits box number 30 or 35, then he concluded that this is gonna make it a mess. ये तो नंबर सारी जिंदगी पूरा नहीं हो सकता. He called his team and he discussed this scenario with the team. और उसके बाद फिर दे से कि देर इज नो लिमिट, यहाँ पे इसका कोई एंड नहीं होगा. सो सीसा वॉज कॉल्ड हेयर, एंड जो आपका किंग था ही हैंग्ड हिम, और उसे ख़त्म कर दिया, राइट. सो आफ्टर ईयर्स एंड ईयर्स इस पे रिसर्च चलती रही, एंड द कंप्यूटर geeks दे come up to this conclusion कि if you place 19 0 after 1, 19, I said 19 after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, अगर आप इतनी zeros प्लेस करते हैं आफ्टर वन, देन यू वुड बी एबल टू accommodate दैट थिंग जो सीसा ने वो की थी, राइट? सो दिस बाइनरी कंसेप्ट जो है दैट वाज ड्राइव फ्रॉम हेयर 1 2 4 8 16 32, right beta? So it always starts from right to left. 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. Is that clear beta? If you write this concept just like this from left to right, 1 2 4 8 16, so that is a wrong concept, right? So ऐसे आपने use नहीं करना, it always starts from right to left. If you can notice this, on every single step the value is getting doubled. 2 का डबल क्या होता है बेटा? 4 on every single step. 4 का डबल 8, then 16, then 32, then 64, then 128. Clear beta? Any question? Moreover, remember one thing, if you move on the right side, so the number is getting half on every single step. 64, then if you are moving on the right side, then 32, then 16, make it half, 8, then 4, then 2, right? So moving on the right side, that is actually dividing it. Moving on the left side, that is multiplying. बेटा दिस इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट, ये आपने भूलना नहीं है, ठीक है? ये आपने भूलना नहीं है, राइट? सो चलें इसे कंप्लीट करते हैं बाइनरी को. सो आई वाज टेलिंग यू अबाउट 1 2 4 8 16, राइट? सो 2 की पावर 0 दैट इज इक्वल टू 1, एंड यू नो व्हाट इज पावर, राइट? 2 की पावर 1 इट्स 2, 2 की पावर 2 इट्स 4, 2 की पावर 3 इट्स 8, 2 की पावर 4 16, 2 की पावर 5 that is 32, and so on. 2 की पावर 10 means 1024. बेटा ये ऐसे चलता रहता है, राइट? इज दैट क्लियर? This is a binary concept, right? So you can write it 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 and so on. Is that clear beta? Hoping you understand that. Let's move on to hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number systems. As I said, it's a 16 number system, 16 base system. So it includes like numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and after that it starts from A up till F. It has 16 numbers, right? Is that clear beta? So it means कि hexadecimal number, any number you can see, for example, A 9 3 4 D. So you can easily recognize this is a hexadecimal number, right? Hexadecimal number. So by the way, if you can see this number 23958, if I ask you, beta ये number, is it a decimal number or hexadecimal number? So if you say this is a base 10 system, that's okay, बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने. If you say 16 hexadecimal number system, you are okay too. But if I say 23958, then now categorically it's saying that it's a hexadecimal number system. It's not a decimal number system, right? So just like that, if 23958, if you see this base, it means that this is a decimal number systems. Is that clear, beta? I am hoping that you understand the powers, the numbers, how it works, the formula, the story, right? Okay, next video में we'll discuss about the conversion of number systems, binary to denary, denary to binary, then hexa to denary, and all that, right? So that's all for today. बेटा सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना है आपने, so that you can get latest videos and updates, right? Okay, bye.